do like a quick unboxing. I have just sort of opened it, but I want to show you what's in the box because there's a lot more than what I expected. So obviously, the car, which we'll get into later. I haven't even looked at it yet. But what's in the box is really interesting because it seems to come with everything you might possibly need. From directions, which, you know, there's a picture of them and stuff. I might have to look carefully because it's not in English, but that's okay. So, quick correction here. There, of course, is English directions. This is the best part. We've got battery, 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 bubbles, bubbles, the controller. Now, it's a bit plasticky for sure, but it feels sturdy as well. Maybe I'm usually thinking about games console controllers. Nothing's gonna feel as good as a PlayStation controller, but it does feel sturdy. And to access the battery, you need a little screw. I was like, dang, I don't have one of those, a little screwdriver. But, lo and behold, a little screwdriver. And a little charging cable. So, it seems like these batteries, these guys, might be rechargeable. Again, we'll have to read the directions. I'm just showing you what's in the box. Empty, empty. Box is empty. All right, so I've got the GoPro attached to the top of the car. Bubbles going. It's recording. So let's go.
Whoa, look at
So you get all of this stuff. You know, don't know what that's for. So my son calls this bubble juice, which is a fair description. I don't know what it's called. I guess just bubble water, liquid bubbles. I don't know, but so you get two of these. So I open this thing, and this is where the bubbles go in. You see? Do I see? So you put them in like that, put it down. So let me unscrew this and see what we got going on here. Okay, opening it up. And 2 AA batteries, but you know what? Also included. Do you like how I've got 2 cameras set up and like completely the wrong places? I was gonna do a top-down shoot, but then my other tripod is in the closet, and honestly, I was just too excited that I wanted to try this out. Okay, so we've got this unnecessary angle. It's not even my good side. I don't really have a good side, but it's definitely not this side. See? Okay, battery's in. Going to just screw, fast forward. Okay, so now I'm gonna look at the guts of this thing. Right, so you can see there is where these 2 rechargeable batteries probably go. Now, I'm wondering if if they have juice in them already. The ideal scenario is that I can just get this going and I don't have to wait for anything. My son is napping right now, so this is the time I get to tinker and film his. Oh, another battery! Another battery. That's crazy. So there's 3 batteries. So look, I know there's this whole RC car community, and I am a noob. I've never really owned any of these. I may now have a new collection of things I do. And so forgive me if I'm I don't know the vernacular, if I don't know how any of these things work, this is my first. I'm Okay, so what happens? Do I press something? Okay, I think we got it open. Might as well play it. Bye for now. So there's this other mode, I think it's called rave mode or party mode. I'm not really sure exactly what it's called, but it just plays music and does a little dance. Here it is. You press this middle button. So my final review is that this thing is great, and Rocco's learning how to use it. It takes about an hour and a half for them to fully charge, so that took a little bit of a learning curve, but the red light will go out when they're charging, so that helped. I had to look that up. But yeah, so GoPro's on, bubbles working, just refilled them too. They last about a few hours, already trickling out, but I've got tons of bubble juice, so again, great little device. I'm so happy we got this. I think Rocco is too. Uh-oh. He's off. So this is Brian Catalano. Please consider liking and subscribing. It helps me out way more than you know.